At Credit Fix Solutions, we are proud to have helped Australians remove and improve their credit reporting blemishes since 2014. Now, people often ask us, can I do this myself? Well, the answer is depends. And the reason we've had such a high success rate at Credit Fix Solutions is that we only take on people we can help. We only take on people who can afford our services, and we don't charge any fees until we get a successful result. So to answer the question, should I do this myself or should I pay someone to do it? It really depends on what you're looking to do. Now, if it's something you can do yourself, we will look at that situation and we will encourage you to do the process yourself. Why? Because we know you will have a better result with just you liaising with the relevant body directly. Now, if it's something more complicated, that's where we'll give you the option to engage our services and go from there. If you want to get a full comprehensive rundown of this entire process and what the world of credit reporting looks like, have a look at the Credit Fix Solutions website and download our guidelines today.